Welcome to my new DIY video, which shows how you can replace the blocked plunger from a wash basin. And you can see that the water is still there for a couple of days now. So let's go to the video. You can see a U pipe in here. So we can remove this from here and here so that we can take it out. I'll just quickly show you, and all the waste actually dumped here to avoid the blockage. So first let's just remove it and clean the pipe, and we'll go from there. I have two mugs to just store the water, because as it's blocked, there is a little bit of water in the sink as well. So we need to remove that first. So keep that down, then remove slowly both end together so that and see that the water start coming slowly. You can see the waste in here. It's a lot of waste, and as it's blocked, nothing is actually coming in. Can you show in this? Yeah. See the waste inside. So we have to clean this. This part acts as a storage, so that all this waste won't go into the system and block the pipe system. So first let me clean the whole thing. So you can see that it's pretty well cleaned now. There were even solid substances inside, so that all makes block the system. So it's all cleaned with a pipe and removed all the dirt inside. Okay. So you can see that a little bit of water came in, but as there is block in the sink, water is still in there, and so I'll slowly remove this. Then if I push or move a little bit, the top plunger will move. You can see the top plunger, it will slightly move, and the blocked water slowly started coming in. See the water slowly coming in from the blocked sink. You need to empty the water completely, but if you just leave it like that, the water won't be coming because it's blocked. But if you slowly move it, slowly shake it, it will open the blocked plunger area, and the water started coming down. See, I just lifted the plunger. Actually, it's not the plunger. Plunger is blocked. So just surrounding ring, I just pulled it a little bit up so that there is slightly space here so that the water can enter. So we almost emptied the water in the sink. Yep, it's completely empty. See, so the nut has to be removed, and you can see that lot of waste inside as well. So all this adds into a blockage. I'll just completely remove and clean it properly. It looks like we may need to replace the plunger because it's almost blocked. See the waste. See the waste. See the waste inside. We have removed this nut completely, and now you can push this from under, and you can see on the top how the plunger will be taken out. So we can take the plunger out, and still you can see it's waste around here. All this will block it, and you can see different small holes through this, which actually restricts the actual waste to come to the system, pipe system. but when the small things are coming through it and it blocks here, so that's why it's the drain is blocked. So yeah, for reasons I'm just cleaning here. It's better not to clean in the other sink because minor waste in this may block other sink. So it's better to clean. Go outside, use a pipe outside and clean it. So it's clean now. Now the issue is, you can see that the other plunger, the working plunger, it has to move like that. But unfortunately, this plunger is not moving. It's actually jammed. So we can remove it like that. Just check inside. See, there is a washer, and you can see the holes inside. That's where the bigger waste are collected. But unfortunately, I think we can't use it because it's all the action is damaged and it's not perfectly working. So we have another plunger here, new plunger. So that's this one. With the nuts and things like that is a new one. So we'll try to see to fix it. So this is the new plunger. So we just need to remove the nut. Remove it completely, and there is a washer as well. Make sure you don't lose it. So it's better to add some flexible sealant over here, and just put that in, fit it properly. So this will go to under the sink, and this is a washer and a waste nut. This is a waste nut. So just put that in like that, and so fit that like that, and put the washer in, and the nut. When you tighten it, the plunger and the waste nut, everything will be tightened properly. Okay, tight to a fair way, and once you finish that, see, we have the cleaned pipe in here. So just now, before the fitting this pipe, make sure it's perfectly working. So you can see the water coming out without blockage. So now the thing is, you just need to fix this up, that's all. Make sure you're tightening the both nuts one at a time. Now you can see that it's not leaking, and if you see the sink, you can see the sink that it's not blocking, so it's nice and easy. So occasionally you can just remove the plunger and remove the waste inside. And also sometimes you can, just like I said before, you can remove the pipe and clean everything inside, which will smoothen the flow. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and please comment if you have any comments. And please note that I'm not a professional plumber. I'm just cleaning my blocked sink. So a professional plumber will have a different way of doing it and a perfect way of doing it. But we can do such an easy way finish this job. Thank you. Thanks again. Thanks for watching my video. Cheers.